Want to find out what's new at Barefoot Landing?
Yeah.
You do? Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and today we're going to take you on a walk around Barefoot Landing to see what's new and what's coming. Let's go check it out. So as you can tell today, Barefoot Landing is so excited for their Boo Fest Halloween contest party. It's for kids ages 2 and up, and they even have pets.
And we were standing right in front of the pumpkin shack.
You're about to say pumpkin patch, weren't you?
Pumpkin patch shack.
And in front of us is the contest that all the kids are going to be competing on stage. I think it starts
You said different
noon.
times for different ages, right?
Yeah, different age groups. So that's good.
Here's your nice little lake here in Barefoot Landing.
And Lulu's across the street, right over there.
Lulu's.
So the arcade looks like it's still going strong. And the little, what's that, the little jungle gym thing?
It's a big climb rope, jungle gym ropes.
So if you're ever looking for something fun with the kids to do, you can always bring them down here to Lulu's Beach Arcade. Oh, is it just ropes?
Ropes course.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they jump. When they finish, they jump off of that at the very end, and
yeah, it brings them
rappel down.
Oh yeah, I couldn't do that.
Okay, we made our way here to the waterway.
And I think that's the, what does it say, the Queen Harbor? Or?
That's the Barefoot
the
Queen.
Barefoot. So the Barefoot Queen will actually take you down the river on the night for Yachts for Tots, which is that Saturday right after Thanksgiving.
All right, right beside the Taco Mundo Kitchen y Cantina is something new called the Big Chill Island House. A unique, hospitable house designed to connect to the Intracoastal. What do they do? Island?
I don't know.
House. Big Chill Island.
Seafood heavy menu that pulls culinary inspiration from islands around the globe.
Oh.
So look, with the moss hanging in it, it's gonna be like a very southern place. That's pretty.
Big Chill. Now this is gonna be in the spring of 2024.
Cool.
And that's what it's gonna look like. Huh.
So another restaurant with a view right here on the waterway.
And
oh, cool. It looks like a big old southern house if you look at it. So it looks like one of our southern plantations that we have around the south.
And it's going to have those bimini window shutter things that you like. Isn't that
hurricane shutters?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're nice. Very pretty. We'll have to come back and check it out.
So here's It's Sugar. Remember, we saw that at Broadway.
Yeah. There's the mole hole.
Mole hole, unique gift shop. Let's take it on to the inside of the buildings, of the walkway.
Here's a map of all the stores, shop, dining, and unwind that they have here. Give you an idea of what you're looking at in case there's a shop you're
specifically looking for.
That's right.
Shop, dine, and unwind right here, Barefoot Landing. So you can go online to get in line.
Oh, that's something good for Lulu's.
There's his Sugar. All right, Savannah Bee Company. That's what Brendan was talking about. They're not open yet.
Okay. This area of Barefoot Landing kind of reminds me of Charleston a lot.
Yeah. Probably locally. Beef jerky, Myrtle Beach. There's the tasting room. I don't know. That's
what kind of tasting?
Carolina Vineyards tasting room. A Silver Shack. Blue Moon Trading Company. So there's a lot more shops, but I think we're going to take the bridge across, right?
Let's go over the bridge.
Let's go over the bridge. There's Tiki Gems.
That's a fun shop to go into.
Yeah. Look, there's something bubbling out there.
Yeah, it's their fountains.
Oh, I thought it was a creature coming to get you.
It feels so good out here today.
It said 77 when we got here, and I think it's a little bit warmer now.
I think the cold weather is going to come in on Tuesday. That's what they're expecting.
Hey, we're almost level with the water when we came down off that ramp just now.
Yeah.
We're almost walking on the water. So you said the cold weather's coming in?
Cold weather should be here on Tuesday.
So that's where we were a while ago, over by Lulu's. And then there is the crooked hammock. Then you got Bullies.
I wonder what Bullies is. We can go see the menu. Maybe we can eat there one day.
We can. Bullies Pub and Grill, it says.
Oh.
Then your Land Shark Bar and Grill. We got on this side, Barefoot Landing. Wax and Beyond Candle Gallery. Your Terra Grena swimwear across the way there. Young's Pecans. Heaven's Marketplace. Del Sol. Let's see. Sunglass Hut on this side as well.
So,
Oh, look at this.
oh, that's cool. So that's Land Shark. You got a little boat that the kids can play in.
Right. I don't think that was here last time we were here.
And is this outdoor need? Because I've never seen this before either. I'm not really sure.
All right. Land Shark Bar and Grill. So on this side, there's Weir Sweets, Monkeys.
What's that?
Caraloa. I wonder what Caraloa is. Sea bags. Maine. Look at that. Things are starting to open up. And if you're looking for some crepes, they got sweet crepes right here.
Yummy.
Right on the corner.
Right here beside pecans too. So.
Right here beside the Young's Pecans and Terra Grena. And Blueberries.
Oh, Blueberry's Grill has got a breakfast place. That's very popular, but you better get here early.
So here's a look at Blueberry's Grill.
Yeah.
Up here at Barefoot Landing.
Staying in line. There's the Christmas mouse.
Purpleologist. So everything in there is purple.
Oh.
This is the Toy Kingdom, baby.
Oh, okay. So it's like sweets on this side because here's Annie Ann's.
Right.
And I guess we are here kind of early. I don't know how we got out early, but I guess it's what, 10 o'clock, 10:30?
10-ish, yeah.
Yeah.
There's your purple. Everything's purple.
Yeah.
Even the planner. So if you like the color purple, that's the store for you.
Purples. Lover of all things purple.
You can get all these nice places.
2 for $20. California Pizza, and that's a chain, but it's also up here at Barefoot Landing. There's Splashes, Fresh Bath and Body over there.
Okay, so on this side, get your wine boutique, Build-A-Bear workshop. What is that?
Wine boutique, what?
Yeah, Coastal Wine Boutique.
Ooh.
You've been in there.
Let's go see.
Wine tasting, craft beer. Yeah, she went right on in there. There's the Crafty Cow. Here's Bullies.
Okay.
And this is Krabby Jack's General Store.
Be careful whenever you're walking on this boardwalk,
Yeah.
because I about
There's
fell in a board.
some that are higher than others. Let's go check out their menu at Bully's Pub and
Is it
Grill.
right there? Yeah.
Yeah, here we go.
Here it is. So they have your classic corned beef Reuben, turkey melt, fried shrimp baskets, kids grilled cheese, hot dogs for kids, basket, little buddies, spicy cheese dip, yum.
So this is more of an American pub?
Yeah, I thought it would be barbecue, but it just looks like it's pretty much anything, like from hamburgers, hot dogs, macaroni and cheese.
They've got some pool tables in there. They must not be open yet.
So they do have plenty of seating here.
Yeah,
It's
if you
nice
do come
and
to
cool.
Bully's, look at that view.
Yeah, nice.
Umberto's, a Pittsburgh Italian.
Hey, this is where Diane and them had their anniversary dinner, and they said the pork chops were this thick. All right, so some nice folks said that Umberto's has very huge portions. You can actually share them. And our friends came here for their anniversary dinner, and they said the pork chops were this thick. So reservations are needed. This is one of your 5-star restaurants. And so if you want to bring someone nice out for that special occasion, anniversary, 50th birthday, food box, this is the place you'll want to bring them. Oh, there's the Pepper Palace, like they have in.
Oh yeah, Pepper Palace. They have that in Gatlinburg.
Yeah, we're going to do that whenever we go down there in Gatlinburg. We're going for that taste testing.
All right, so on this side, where you got your carousel, looks like the world is waking up a little bit here.
Oh yeah. And normally, like I said, we're not up this early. So I don't know how we got out early. Oh, there's the beach house. So you definitely got to bring your kids on this little train here. And they also have this fun little park that you can play chess and checkers. You can tell that I'm not the kid that sat and played those games. With ADHD, it was kind of hard. Let's see. So over here we have the River Street.
You got your bear claw and fudge,
Yum.
world famous fudge.
Now that's my kind of place, homemade fudge.
The Shining Soul Candle Company. Colette's Popcorn. They have caramel, kettle, cheese, and much more. Also turtle and fish food.
In case those little ones want to feed the fish.
And then there's the Crooked Hammock. Great food.
And the brewery where they have all the tastings and everything.
That's right. You can hang here and play games or sit around the tree at Tortuga Island and enjoy the nature all around you. So now everything's open up. Well, that's a full circle tour of Barefoot Landing here in North Myrtle Beach. If you enjoyed this tour, click the like button and please subscribe to this channel for more beach videos. Until next time, keep beaching.